Hey everyone, welcome to another video. It has been a hot minute, has it not? It's been a long time. Been a long time since I've done a video. If you are a regular viewer of the channel, you will see I have moved location. I now have a new space, a new workshop. I got a new prop wall set up behind me, which I think looks quite nice. I enjoy it anyway. But yeah, this video is more of just like an update on where I'm at and the space, and yeah, just the situation on the channel itself at the moment. I'm happy to say the channel is still going, but yeah, it's been a hot minute since I've managed to make any videos for you guys. Incidentally, if you do actually want to follow along more closely what I do, I post on Instagram way more regularly than I do over here on YouTube. And that's just because sometimes I don't have time to make videos on all the things that I make or paint or whatever. But yeah, that stuff all goes on Instagram, so if you want to follow me over there, that would be really great. That's at buckethead.studios. Nice and simple, and yeah, I post a lot more over there than I tend to do over here. But yeah, this video, like I said, this video is more of just like an update on where I'm at, and yeah, I did move house. I've moved further away from my job, so now I have to commute back to that job at the moment, so it takes a lot more of my time and leaves me a little bit more pushed, or like leaves me more struggling creatively to actually get into this space and actually make stuff, and that's been quite tricky for me in the last year or so, even before I moved. I have been working on stuff, but not really filming it. Like I said, you can see what I work on Instagram, but yeah, I've been working on bits and bobs, but yeah, I'm happy that I'm finally kind of settled in this space and actually starting to utilize it a bit, which is why I thought I'd do this video, because it's something I'm a bit more comfortable with now, and I'm happy to get back into making, and I'm much happier with my own mind and mental in actually using this to make stuff. So yeah, it's just more of that really, and I just wanted to bring you guys up to speed on the state of the channel. But yeah, I still do make props and costumes. The channel is still alive, and I'm going to be bringing you guys along real soon on some different projects. The one I'm currently working on is the Jedi Temple Guard, which is this guy right here, and I do have a little bit of footage for this, which I'll make a video for, and when I put the video out soon, I will be wearing it to MCM Comic Con. Now, as I'm filming this, it's the end of April. And MCM Comic Con in London is the end of May, so I have about a month left, but I will be wearing this guy, rain or shine. I've given myself that little con crunch deadline to get this one done. So if you want to come along and see me there, I will be at MCM Comic Con in London on the Saturday. I'll be there with other guys from my group, the Imperial Outlanders. But yeah, we will also have a booth and a table there set up, and then we'll be meetups throughout the days, each day, but then yeah, I will be there on the Saturday. So if you want to come say hi, I will be in this there, so that'll be great. But yeah, like I said, it's been a bit difficult creatively, just getting myself in the right space to make stuff. I'm sure everyone has moments in their life where they feel creative peaks and valleys. I was definitely in a valley. I feel like I'm coming back out. I'm coming back out now, and happy to be once again working on costumes. I've got a lot of stuff set up here, so like this is the new space. As you can see, big old prop wall over here with some of my favorite stuff on it. I've really trimmed down a bit on the whole collection than what I've had in the past, but this is really like my favorite kind of stuff. I've got some more stuff over here which I can show you. The space isn't that big, but then I'm sure a lot of you are used to working in small spaces too. I'm lucky enough to have a garden outside, so I can still do spraying and stuff at the house that we're at now. And yeah, in this room, this is the office, the work room that I am able to use all of. It's pretty much back here, and then about the same this side. I got a computer down here. You guys are where the desk is. You know, it's not big, but it's enough space to be able to put stuff out and work on it and work on the computer at the same time. So yeah, like I said, I'm getting used to utilizing the space. I've had to work out different storage solutions. I could still put up different things on the walls, I think, to help do that. I've just got some shelves I've put up, which is great to display stuff and keep stuff. And yeah, it's just really interesting having to work with the new space, having to store stuff efficiently and just make sure that I have everything that I need to work, but like, you know, it's all actual useful stuff that I use for making. And I can't store the amount of stuff that I had previous. So yeah, it's a bit more tricky to work, but I'm getting back into the swing of things. And yeah, that was all this video was. Wow, that was a lot of was's. Is a welcome to the new space, and that, yeah, there will be videos coming up really soon. The first one will be the completion of the Jedi Temple Guard. I'll show you how I have got to this stage from, I think you guys have seen the helmet, and obviously there's a lot more to it now, and I'm working, the bench is full of stuff that I'm working on, so I'm going to bring you guys along for that. And of course we're going to go to Comic-Con, so you guys will see that footage too. We'll be there in costume when that happens in the future. I know a lot of you guys keep asking for Django. I will get to Django. That's the only other costume really I've got in the process of, like, the build is like 70% there kind of thing. So yeah, I will be readdressing that costume once this is done, and that'll be later in this year, hopefully. Like I said, it's one of those projects that's a huge project, and it's a money pit as well. With I think any of those like that, Boba, Django, Darth Vader, they're all a bit of a pit of money and time. Mostly time now. I've got most of the pieces I need, but it's just putting time in to get the things finished is the real issue right now. Yeah, just a video to say hi, hello, welcome to the new space, and thank you guys who are subscribed and continue to stay subscribed. Please continue to watch videos, like videos, comment on videos. I always read every comment that goes on videos. Surprisingly, I get a lot of comments asking about things that are in the video. So if you ask me about things that are in the video that I answer in the video, I'm not going to answer you. Yeah, no, I love chatting to you guys in the comments. I love hearing your enthusiasm. And yeah, also on Instagram, I always read every comment and reply. You know, if we want to have like a chat about stuff, I'm always around to chat in the comments. So yeah, thank you so much for continuing to watch, and I hope you are all well. And of course, I will see you guys in the next video, which will be much less of a gap between the last video and now. So until then, take care. Bye bye. He's so dusty. But we'll get to you. We will get to you, my friend. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Ah, so many things, man. See videos on all of these guys. This guy. We did these guys. Casting up some credits. My little Pokemon section here. Oh, you know there's videos on all of these, so yeah, go watch them. Go watch them. Even these two have videos each. So yeah. Well, not too much, not too much. We're gonna get to you. We're gonna get to you. Real soon. Jedi Temple Guard, real soon.